Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Project, region, and billing are active in GCP. Once done, upload your trained model artifact to a cloud storage bucket and note the GS//path so you can reference it later. Make sure you create a service account with Vertex AI and storage permissions. You will use that for deployment tasks and automation. Finally, install and authenticate gCloud. Then set the project and region so subsequent commands run against the correct environment. Now you register the artifact as a Vertex AI model resource. Use gCloud Beta AI Models Upload or the console for a GUI workflow. Provide the container image or custom prediction code and declare machine type plus accelerator if you need GPUs. This controls latency and cost. Configure environment variables and health checks so Vertex can verify readiness. If you want safe rollouts, prepare a traffic split for blue/green deployments. That way you can shift traffic gradually and deploy the model to an endpoint. Either create a new endpoint or reuse an existing one, then call deploy to attach the model with min and max replicas. After deployment, run test predictions using sample inputs to confirm responses and measure latency. Monitor logs and cloud monitoring metrics to catch errors or cold starts, and scale resources if necessary. If things go wrong, check IAM permissions, VPC connector settings, and container health probe failures. These are the most common blockers to successful deployments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.